In the previous lecture, we learned about font family. In this lecture, we're going to learn about the font size property. The font size property specifies the size of the font. There's several values that can be used here. XX small, X small, small, medium, large, X large, and XX large. These sizes are based on the user's default font size. You can also customize a value by using a number with a CSS unit or length unit. So let's begin. I'm going to create a p tag here, okay? And I'm going to add a class, and I'm going to add the text of A. And I'm going to say this font size is set to XX small. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this element and I'm gonna paste it 8 times. Okay, and on the second element, I'm gonna change the class to B, and I'm gonna change the text, well, the XX small to just one X, just X small. Then the third one, the third element is gonna be, I'm gonna change the class to C, and I'm gonna change this the last word to just be small. Then the next one is gonna be D, and I'm gonna set this to medium. The next one is gonna be A B C D E. And this is gonna be large. The next one is gonna be X large. And the next one it's gonna be X large, XX large. Okay. Now let's see, A B C D E F, and then G, and the last one is gonna be H. On the last one, I'm gonna say this font size is customized. Okay, that's it. Gonna add a period. Okay, now let's go to our CSS, and I'm gonna call the first class, which is A. Okay, so add a dot A, and I'm gonna say font size. Okay, font size, and I'm gonna add XX small. That's the first one. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy and paste 8 times. Let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Now I'm gonna just change the class to B, and then C, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay. Now on the B class, on this one here, I'm just gonna remove one X to make it X small, and then on C, I'm gonna remove the double X, and on D, I'm gonna change it to medium. The next one, I'm gonna change this to large. The next one is going to be large, X large. The next one is going to be XX large. Okay, and the last one is going to be, I'm going to add 40 pixels. Well, let me add just 50 pixels, okay? Okay, now that we are set, we can just save it and go to the browser, refresh, and there they are. You can see the differences. The first one is XX small. The second one is X small, and then small, medium, large, X large, XX large, and this is the customized font size. Okay, and of course you can set this to any number, right? The when you use CSS units, a number with the CSS units, you can set this to 10. Okay, and you see the differences there. Okay. Well, that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to learn about font style.